Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is Friday the 15th of February and we are going to Vidcon this weekend. I'm here with Becca. There she is, drinking her tea.
Hi.
We're about to leave for the train. Yeah, I think I've packed everything. My case is pretty full. But yeah, we're gonna head to the XL and
My case isn't even shut. Is it gonna close?
we're gonna try and quickly pack the rest of our things and head off. So I will catch you on the other side. We've made it to the XL. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We just checked into our hotel. We're now walking down to the XL. How exciting. Can't wait to see what it's like. Right, we're going to get our lanyards, which is probably the most exciting thing and the reason I wanted to come the most, just to get a lanyard really and sign it. So anyway, yeah, £130 later. But yeah, shout out to Vidcon for running competitions. So we actually won our tickets this weekend, so such a bonus. Yeah, here we go. Is this a new canopy? I swear this wasn't here before.
Yes, it's been here before.
Look at that. What a masterpiece. So we've arrived, we picked up our lanyards, got my name on it. Annoyingly, the lady wrote on it before I realised she was writing it for me. So it's a bit not really my writing, but anyway, it's my channel name, so can't really go wrong. We're gonna head to the cloakroom because it is actually really hot in here. We've also got these wristbands that scan you in and out, which is quite high tech and fancy. Hello.
I keep doing that.
We're just sat outside on this bench. Yeah, we're going into
We just saw Callum's corner, A up.
Do you know who that is?
If you know, you know.
Yeah, it seems like just everyone's sort of wandering around. We went in the creator suite room thing, but it was just basically a room with tables and chairs in, and that was pretty much it. So we didn't really stay in there for very long. But yeah, we're gonna go to Joe and Casper's panel in a minute when we get let in.
I really want some food.
Yeah, we are starting to get a bit hungry.
I'm not eating today. It's really crunchy.
But we did see a nice bagel place. We might go
That's what I
there
just think.
straight after this ends.
Run, beeline.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, we're in the panel. And Lydia's life is here. Wait, what is it now? Oh, it's Lydia. We'll link it below.
I think creators do need to think about diversifying as they develop.
I have the base there, but what else can we do? What do I enjoy? What else can I do so that it's not just Instagram and YouTube? And
I think we're so lucky to have people listen to us, and it does make coming up with new ideas a bit easier. Because with Joe, and you might be asking yourself, why is our management company called Margarine? It's quite a tongue twister. It's a bit like margarine, whatever. But we
it always auto-corrects as margarine when you text it as well. It's I'm with margarine management now, and everyone's like, yay!
So the reason, you're like, so much better. But I suppose we moved in together on a street called Margarine, and it was over those kind of 3 years, what was it, that we really kind of built on our channels and learned so much about YouTube and had so much fun, the fun we had during that time.
First question, why late?
How's your timekeeping these days, Jen?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Basically, at the moment, on Instagram, I'm an Instagrammer, and I'm struggling with my engagement. At the moment, it's dropped quite a lot. So I don't know if you have any tips or tricks to help that boost up again.
I think it's funny, as soon as you asked that, the person from Instagram ran out the room.
They always say tags are really important. I don't know how important they actually are. Hashtagging and stuff, that kind of thing. I guess it gets seen by a certain amount of people to tag certain things, but also I went for a stage like a lot of other people where you would, every caption would have a question, so where throw a question to your audience.
We've just come out of Joe and Casper's panel. Unfortunately, Joe was really late, but it was good. We've just popped to this bagel place. I've got a bagel, so is Becca. And we're just waiting for Lydia. She just popped to the pizza place to grab that. We may have lost her slightly as we sat down. No, here she comes. Yeah, I got a chicken and cheese bagel, which looks so good, so I'm going to eat that now. And here's Lydia with her pizza. Perfectly modelled. Yeah, we're going to eat and then go check into our hotel. Have arrived at the hotel. This is our room. Very nice, very nice. The bathroom's really nice as well, look. Ooh, fancy. Cool. We're just gonna chill out for a bit. Got some curtains. Gonna hang my stuff up maybe. And I'm actually really pleased that there's plugs by the bed so I can charge my phone.
Finally, why do hotels never have that?
They literally never have it.
No.
So last time we stayed, we were like we had to plug things in like over the other side of the room because there was just nowhere. Yeah. And then we're gonna go back over and go to the expo hall because that's now opened, which is exciting. Okay, so we just got some water, walking around. Sadly, the expo hall isn't opening today. We thought it was, but it's not. So we have to wait till tomorrow to go in there. So we're just gonna chill, walk around a bit. There's not really that much going on today. But yeah, we've got the main stage opening ceremony in about an hour, so not too long. Yeah, that's it. Updated.
Dean Dogs, and welcome to the first ever Vidcon London! What's that? What, you want me to say Jack and Dean are absolutely brilliant, and that their new show, Jack and Dean of All Trades, is on YouTube now for free? I don't know if I should say that. Well, it's just a bit self-indulgent, isn't it? Who are you talking to? I'm talking to Greg. Who's Greg? He's the sound guy. Are you guys eating enough? Someone's just like foaming. That section of the room seems to be way more enthusiastic about biscuits than the rest of the room. Over there. This is a variation on the try not to laugh challenge. So what's going to happen is you guys are going to have water in your mouths. We're going to watch some funny videos and you're not going to laugh at them. He's struggling. Joey's struggling. So is Casper. Anything? Nothing? No, we're good. We're good.
Okay, update. We went to Tesco. We got a meal deal. I had like a pasta thing. Both had pasta. Now eating this shortbread. It's very nice. Becca got a strawberry Coke.
Twisted strawberry.
I know. Never heard of this. I haven't seen them before.
Try it, but I'm going to do it on my vlog too.
Yeah. Co-vlog in. Oh, and we're also watching some countdown. That was it, whatever that is.
8 out of 10 captures countdown.
Wow. I'm wondering if it's going to be like a cola bottle mixed with the cherry, like.
I like strawberry laces.
Oh.
It's nice.
Hmm.
I think I prefer the raspberry one. I had a raspberry one the other day, by the way. It's great. No, it's nice. Do you want to try it?
Yeah. It does smell like strawberry
It
laces.
doesn't taste like strawberry laces. It's weird.
It's weird.
I do like it. I think if it was normal Coke, it would be nicer, but it's Diet Coke anyway.
It tastes a bit like fizzy medicine.
It tastes like liquid Nurofen.
Oh.
Oh, now I don't
Is that
like
a bad
it.
thing? I shouldn't have said
Don't
that.
say that because now it tastes like liquid Nurofen.
No, but you like Cowpole.
Yeah, but no, not Nurofen.
It's not. It doesn't taste like Cowpole though, does it? Right, I'm going to end the vlog here. I am all tucked up in bed, got my pyjamas on. Becca's just in the shower, and we're just gonna settle down, have a pretty early night. We're quite tired. Today's been good, although it wasn't like that much going on. It was still really cool and nice to just be here and be ready for tomorrow, because I'm excited for tomorrow. And yeah, it should be a bit more, hopefully, vlog content for you guys tomorrow with more sort of things going on. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you did enjoy this. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below if you've ever been to VidCon, where was it? And I will see you next time. Bye.